Mother of Gangalayam.
What's the ideas? What's the ideas? Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to perform an activity, the great Mahabharata epic character names, alphabetical order. Now, students, are you ready? Come.
A for Arjuna, the listener of the Gita. B for Bhishma, grand elder, Duryodhana's stick. For Draupadi, wife of Pandavas. For Ekalavya, devoted student of Drona. Ishe Gandhari, mother of scholars. G for Ganga, mother of Bhishma. H for Hidimba, one princess, mother of Ghatopacha. I for Indra, king of the gods, father of Arjuna. A for Dharmadeya, Arjuna descendant. For Krishna, supreme lord, teacher of Gita. Lakshmana Kumara, son of Duryodhana. And for Matsya, father-in-law of Arjuna. And for Nakula, one of the Pandavas. He for Pandu, father of the Pandavas. Shivyasa, component of Gita, narrative. Asadeva, youngest Pandava. For Chaka, serpent king. U for Uttara, prince of Virata. U for Udita, vice minister. V for Vyasa, author of Mahabharata. Y for Nurichan, eldest Pandava.